Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Loser unboxing. I got one friend making a comment, and the comment says, I love loser unboxing. It's relaxing, and which is also what I like. I feel loser unboxing is very satisfying from my point of view, because that's something that I spend my teacher salary to buy. If we can put a definition on teacher salary, it's a little bit of something like a poverty line. Or you get the idea, right? Teacher salary is a very humble salary. And I spend that money to entertain myself, to treat myself. That is a very special thing. It shows that quality deserves a recognition, right? I do not know the quality of this one just yet. Let's take a look. This is a loser unboxing. I bought it because I think it is good. Ooh. Oh, I love these little bags. Oh, there are these little bags. And number 1, number 2. Oh, I will keep these little bags. It can be pretty good to put some cosmetic little brushes, eye brush, little sponge and things. Oh, I love it. Yeah, it's very reusable. Number 3. Let's take a look. Ta-da! One leg out. Oh, I can use this one. This is perfect to get out that. See, it's so easy. See, it's so easy. Okay, so these are sunglasses, and it's very light, and it's relatively narrow here. Usually you have this full frame kind of sunglass, and it's very wide, and it's much larger than my face shape. This one I have bought it, and I still have one. The lens fall off, so it's not expensive, but not the best quality, but it's sufficient. And I shared with my sister, so I only have one left, and that one is needs to to buy a new one. And this is a little bit darker, and this one is, I think the lens is the same. It feels this one is the heaviest darkness. And I like it. Okay, so it feels that this is the darkest, and maybe at the darkest sunshine, and this kind of a cool and a little bit less, and this one is warm color, a little bit less, not so strong. I have one that is quite strong. I feel that is a little bit too strong for it, and with some little design on it, I feel it is okay. Let's take a look, try it on. Now we take a look of it. Ooh, this here is. Get some water. Press it down. Uh-oh. Okay, let's take a look. So this one, I said, so I said it's not too wide, and it's okay for my shape. Sometimes a lot of it is just too wide. It's like a comical show. See, this one is more or less okay with me, and it's quite dark, and with the degree, it's really good for reading and for driving. I do not like bifocal that has degree change. I do not like it, because you need to look through that teeny tiny little hole, and I'm not comfortable with it. I am more comfortable with up, down, left, right, and seeing through. It's so good. Wow, so good. So this is number one, the darkest, the black one. Now let's take a look at the second is the blue one. It's much lighter, and with the dark one in the beach, bright sunshine, you may use it. And this one, I feel more comfortable with this kind of lighter one, because sometimes I need to read the instruction on the map and things. So this is the second one. Now let's see, the third one is a brown color one. And that one is a cool color. This one is a warm color and feels so warm. Oh, I love this one. So that is it. My hair is a little bit long. I need to cut my hair. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Gulu, gulu, bye, bye. Makes me comfortable to have something that fits just perfect. And I can also do like this. Some of the glasses, this one is okay. It's not too wide. Some of the glasses are too wide and it falls off. This one is just right. Gulu gulu bye, 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 bye.